getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you look number 2 in my 10 looks using one palette series. In this series I'm highlighting the Sephora Pro Editorial palette. It is a very beautiful, bright, vibrant palette. I'm so excited to come up with bright, colorful looks like this. This is kind of trending right now, the orange and the blue eyeshadow colors, so I figured I might as well try it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. So today is look number 2, and I've been seeing this trend go around with the orange and the blue, so I think I'm gonna do an orange on top with a pop of blue on the lower lash line. I think that's what I want to go for. So first, picking up my Morphe M504, I'm gonna mix Tangerine and Porcelain. There's really only one orange shade. Mixing that white shade in is just gonna really help diffuse out that color and make it lighter. My eyes are primed with concealer and set with a powder, and ignore my brows that don't match. I can never get them to match. Next, picking up a Morphe R37, I'm gonna pick up Tangerine. This is basically gonna be the only shade that I use on my lid. And I'm just going to build that up in the crease. Taking that first brush and just buffing out those edges, really blending it together. Then picking up a smaller brush, this is the Morphe E18, I'm going to pick up Tangerine again. I'm going to pack that on the inner and outer corner. These colors you're able to build up their intensity quite a bit just by layering them on top of each other. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And then also you can deepen them by adding a tiny bit of black, which there is a black in this palette, so I will probably end up doing that too. On that same brush, I'm going to pick up a little bit of Ilde, which is a shimmer black, but I'm hoping the shimmer doesn't show up. I'm taking the tiniest amount on that same brush, very lightly, just to deepen that orange. Taking that second brush and just buffing into the crease again. Okay, so they have this bronzy color, Hector E, this one right here, and I think I'm going to mix the orange and that Hector shade and put that right on the center. Okay, and that's without a setting spray. I just packed it on with my finger, my gross finger that finally my nail has grown back, so I will be able to go put a nail on it. On the Morphe E18 again, I'm just going to blend that. On that second brush, the Morphe R37, I'm going to pick up that orange and just deepen that crease. These shadows, they do almost, like, they blend amazingly, but then sometimes they almost blend into nothing if you blend too much. I love the colors and everything, but it's almost like you need a really base for them. Almost like you need to go in with your concealer and not set it and go directly onto the concealer with your brush. Especially for this look where I basically just built up the color to really deepen everything. Okay, I'm gonna take this Curie pencil brush and just pick up that Hector E, spray it. Just get that a little more intense on the eye. So spraying the shimmers are definitely the way to go. Then I'm going to pick up that Porcelain shade again on a, this has no name, So once I have that cleaned up under my brow, I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just filmed this face makeup. It is a full face using products that YouTubers made me buy. So that video will be coming up next if you want to see it, but I'm just going to finish up the rest of my eyes really quick. So dipping back into the palette, I'm taking a Morphe E17 brush and picking up Helen P, and I'm just going to smoke that out. Then picking up a Morphe E36 brush, I am taking Chris, and I'm going to keep that closer to the lower lash line. Picking up Dina, which is a really deep, it looks like a shimmer shade, but I'm going to see what it looks like on the outer corner. Stamping that right next to the lash line, only going about halfway in. And then one more time with that first brush, picking up Helen P. Just really blurring out those edges. Then taking white gold on this crown detail brush. I'm going to see what this looks like on the inner corner. I think I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. So for sure with these shadows, with the shimmers, you definitely want to spray. And then right under my arch. Then I'm just going to pop on some mascara. I'm going to use the Jordana Best Lash Extreme Volumizing Mascara. Then I'm going to take this Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Silky Nude and just line the waterline. Okay guys, so I popped on some mascara and everything, and this is the finished look. Like I said, I did film this face makeup, so if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. I really love the orange and blue eyeshadow trend that is going around right now. I love these colors. I love the orange next to my hair. My hair actually faded so bad with just the pink in it that when I touched up the color, I actually added in orange, and it has helped keep my hair vibrant for longer, so that's awesome. So I really love this eyeshadow look. It is a very smoked out orange eye. I mean, really I only use like 3 eyeshadows on the top and then the blue on the waterline. So it's a really simple look to achieve. You can achieve this with any orange and blue shadows that you have. You don't have to use this palette to get it, but I really like how it turned out. I put on some winged liner. I used the NYX Epic Ink Liner and then popped on some PUR Lashes, and this is the finished look. I really like it. If you guys have any suggestions for colors that you want me to highlight in this palette, go ahead and leave it down below in a comment so that I can check it out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I